Hi, this is just a test of Screencast-O-Matic. So what I did is I set it up so that it's going to capture everything inside the frame that I defined in the program. And basically what you have to do is you have to kind of go through your presentation and talk about it. Now here I'm doing some chemistry notes, but it's basically the same thing. So you would just, describe in general what you're trying to show. Don't read verbatim. So you would say, okay, so here's an outline of the assignments that are upcoming. Okay. You don't need to go into complete specifics for something like this. Um, you just kind of walk through, describe your slides, describe their significance. Don't read them verbatim. Okay. So, for instance, you wouldn't say, warm up number five, what is an ideal gas? You'd say something like, I really want to introduce this new concept to you. Its concept is called an ideal gas. So, what the heck is an ideal gas? Something like that, where you're showing a slide and sort of ad-libbing a little bit about its content, not just reading it verbatim. Okay? And then you would, talk about it. So that's pretty much all I'm trying to get you to do. Okay?